Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if the hyperlinks are not working in your Microsoft Teams. Now, to fix this issue, you will have to go ahead and click on the search and go ahead and type Microsoft Teams. In the best match, you will see Microsoft Teams as a result. You can do a right click on it and then click on App Settings. Once you have the App Settings window or the Installed Apps window, you may go ahead and scroll down and look for the option which says terminate. So you may go ahead and click on terminate. What this will do is this will go ahead and immediately terminate all the processes or the Microsoft Team related processes in your Windows. You may go ahead and click on terminate multiple times, and once it is done, then click on repair. So if the app is not working, we can try to repair it, and with this option, if you click on repair, your data would not be affected. So you may go ahead and click on repair and wait for the repair to complete. Once the repair is completed, you will see a small checkbox here. Once this is done, you may go ahead and click on reset option. So with this, what will happen is this will go ahead and reset your Microsoft Teams settings. And when you launch Microsoft Teams for the first time, you might want to enter your credential, your username and password. So once it is done, you may go ahead and close this window, restart your computer, and then try to open Microsoft Teams, and this should fix the problem. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.